Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm also fine. Learn how to create clean professional feel in the blank lines in Microsoft Word for worksheets, exams, forms and official documents. In this tutorial, we will discover simple and accurate methods to add blank lines that users can type on easily without breaking alignment or formatting. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment. Now I add a name form or details from here, then we delete this, then I write something like name, father name, mother name, class, roll, semester, etc. You can add another. Now I add the blank line, go to the home menu and click the paragraph setting option. Then we can see here many setting. Otherwise you can go another way. Click the paragraph setting and click the tabs. Then we can see here the tab setting. Now I make the tab 5.5. You can add your choice. Now I click the right and the leader is 4. Then click set and click OK. Then press tab on your keyboard and we can see here the line we added automatically and very easily. You can again add the tab on your keyboard. Otherwise you can go again the tab setting and press 5.5 and choose the right and 4 and click, then press tab. Now you can make again. This is a simple way to add the blank line easily. You can write anything to this line like my name is backspace. You can see here the line is fill upable. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.